Okay, shall we look up there? The sun is shining bright. Later on, that will come. Palakpakan naman natin. The weather is with us. Okay, so we have here from Automotive Air Conditioning Technology Incorporated, who is going to light Park Commercial Estate Association at San Miguel Yamamura Asia, together with the Yasaki Torres Manufacturing and at the San Miguel Yamamura Asia Corporation, and it will pass on through RCM, and there you go. The Nestle Philippines and the Quezon Power Cobanta Philippines Operating Incorporated. Here are our great team. Mas masigabong palakpakan para sa ating mga team leader. I know that they are your inspiration, being the team leader, no? Yeah. Yes, Sir Camilo. And together with the group. Okay? Yan. Niliitan lang po yung apoy para safe. Dahil hazard pagka lumakihan. Okay, so we have all the teams here. And we are going to have our pictures taken para sa Facebook. Yeah! 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 Okay. Yan. Okay, make sure we have the addresses noong email at Yahoo. Okay, taas kamay! Yeah! And for the team that are represented by the group, palakpakan nyo naman ang inyong mga team leader. Yeah! Go! And right at this time, we are going to have our oath of sportsmanship. And this will be held, this will be the team leader from Quezon Power Philippines Limited.
In the highest form and standards of discipline and sportsmanship, no matter if I win or lose. But what counts more is how I conducted myself
of this stage inside this particular building. Okay, so in the original final briefing, your coaches or your team leader were informed na nandoon ang ating holding area. Okay, but because may mga changes during the other days, last meeting the other day, so nandito na po ang holding area. All teams will have to stay inside the holding area at the back of this stage. Sa loob po.
Sabihin mo.
Sayang naman yung mga kagandahan na dala-dala ng ating mga competing teams today.
Yes! Nabuhay yun!
Okay ba now? Once I call the name of the company, may I request the muse to come up the stage to be recognized? Okay, we'll start with Nestle Philippines Incorporated. May I call on the muse? Mamaya natin interviewin, ha? Okay, from Quezon Power, Cobanta Philippines Operating Incorporated. Palakpakan naman natin yung ating mga music. This time from RCM Manufacturing Incorporated. May we call on the muse? The lady in light blue. From San Miguel Yamamura Asia Corporation. Nasaan po ang ating youth? Ang escort, nasaan? Ang escort na lang daw ang aakyat. Para well. Siyempre, kung natutuwa ang mga guys natin dito, dapat matuwa rin yung mga girls, right? And the last from category A, Yasaki Torres Manufacturing Incorporated. May kasawang escort. Thank you very much. Diyan lang kayo. Okay, for category B, the Muse of Automotive Air Conditioning Technology Philippines. Escorted by Randy daw. Palakpakan po. Next. Pati tuloy ako nadidistract sa inyo. We have Coach Manila Bay Incorporated. Thank you very much. You're great. Next, we have DNL Industries Incorporated. We have from Kepco Ilihan Corporation. Next, we have from Madrigal Business Park Commercial Estate Association Incorporated. Okay, maybe call on the youth, the team. The lady in red. Okay, thank you. And the last is from San Miguel Yamamura Asia Corporation. Escort pa rin. Okay. Diba nakita natin ang gagandahan at nagbabapo mga representative. Of course, the competition will not be complete without the news from Sophie. Maybe call Miss Ruby on Facebook. Okay guys, palakpakan naman natin ang ating mga... Pwede bang quarter turn ba tawag dyan?